In today's competitive world of YouTube, it is getting harder and harder to grow. But there is still one powerful niche that can help you stand out and grow quickly, and that is stick figure animation. Just look at these channels. They are pulling in millions and millions of views, and some of them are even making over $5,000 a month, according to Social Blade. The best part? The best part is that these videos are incredibly easy to make, and you can apply this method to any niche, whether it's finance, motivation, self-improvement, or even education. In this video, I'm gonna break down the entire step-by-step process so you can start creating your own viral stick figure animations today. So guys, let's get started. See you in class. So the first step is to write your script. I'll be using ChatGPT for this. Already I have my prompt, so I will just copy and I will paste it, and let's see what ChatGPT would give me. I'm talking about procrastination here. Your own script may be on self-improvement or time management, anyone that works best for you. And I'll be pasting this prompt in my description box, so in case you need it, you can check it out in my description box. All right, so ChatGPT has given us our script. So the next step is to turn this into a voiceover, and we'll be using Google AI Studio for our voiceover. If you don't know how to make use of Google AI Studio, I've made a video that explained this thoroughly, so you can check it out on my channel. So we go over to our Chrome browser and we will type Google AI Studio, and then we have to click on single speaker audio. Then we now have to paste our prompt. Then we now have to change this to read aloud in a reflective and motivating tone. Yes, because we want the voice to be very reflective, right? Then we now have to choose our voice. I'll go for Charon. Yes, because this is a male voice. Then we now have to click on run CTRL. Then let's see what it will give us. Alright guys, our voiceover is ready. Let me play it for you guys to hear.
Procrastination doesn't look dangerous. It whispers tomorrow. But tomorrow turns into next week, next month, and suddenly your dreams are still waiting where you left them.
Alright, as you can see, it sounds so realistic. It sounds so human, right? So what you just do is to click on these three dots here, then you download. Now that we have our script and voiceover ready, it is time to build the visuals. For that, we'll be using Canva. Yes, we'll be using Canva. You can download it or you can access it through your Chrome browser. Then you have to select the video format, which is this one. Then you have to choose the standard video size, which is what, 16:9. After that, you have to import your voiceover.
Procrastination doesn't look dangerous. It whispers tomorrow.
Alright, now that we've imported our audio, the next thing is to go to these elements and research for stick figure. Yes, and okay, then we now have to go over to their graphics, which is here. Then you will see, yes, see it. Then you now have to choose the one that, then we have to go over to the elements and choose paper background, because this is what resonates with stick figure animation, right? Then as you can see, there are lots of paper backgrounds, so we have to choose the one that is very good. Let's choose this brown one because this resonates very well with stick figure animation. Then you see, yes, we have it here. Then you have to insert your text and make sure the text matches with the images, the voiceover, and the stick figure. You get example, this one that is here.
Procrastination doesn't look dangerous. It whispers tomorrow. But tomorrow...
So this is how you continue adding your stick figure, your text, and everything before you can come up with a beautiful, beautiful animation. Alright guys, so now that we are done editing, adding our text and everything, let me play it for you guys to see.
Procrastination doesn't look dangerous. It whispers tomorrow. But tomorrow turns into next week, next month, and suddenly your dreams are still waiting where you left them. Listen, progress doesn't start with giant leaps. It starts with one small intentional step. One page read, one email sent, one workout completed. Growth is uncomfortable.
Alright, guys, so this is how you can do it. This is what you can try, whether with your phone or your system. This is a niche that is going viral right now, and this is what you have to try in your leisure. Do well to like, share, and subscribe. Also, if you're interested in the prompt I used to generate my voiceover, check it out in my description box, and don't forget to check out the videos showing on your screen. I'm available for one-on-one coaching and collaboration. Do well to reach out to me through the email in my description box. And until I come your way next time, stay safe and mwah.